Say hello to Ashley, an economics and finance major. Ashley has excelled here, and she credits much of that to the academic environment. The student-faculty ratio is just 12-to-1. Average class size is 20, and every class is taught by professors rather than teaching assistants. Oh yeah, and 85% of those professors have earned the highest degree in their field. Ashley, take it from here.
Hey everyone! As someone who comes from an extremely close family, I always knew I wanted to attend college near home. When I discovered the incredible sense of community, the wide range of opportunities, and the tight-knit alum network, I knew I found my home away from home. Here at St. Ben's and St. John's, students have the ability to live on campus all 4 years. And it's really awesome, because this encourages us to bond with one another, and we get to do so in such a safe environment. I'm on the varsity tennis team, I've founded the on-campus entrepreneurship club, and I'm on track to graduate with honors. So much of this is because of the support I have been given from professors, staff, and my friends. Here at St. Ben's and St. John's, professors have the opportunity to get to know their students and invest in them. The economics and accounting departments do a wonderful job of connecting students with opportunities for after graduation. The fact that I've already been hired as an investment banking analyst at Piper Sandler proves how special the connections and opportunities are here. My advice when you're starting college, don't overlook the importance of building relationships with faculty and staff. Friends are a crucial aspect of college, and I've made remarkable ones here at St. Ben's and St. John's. But taking the time to get to know your professors positions you for life-changing opportunities during and after college. College is challenging no matter where you go, but a support system like the one we have here makes all the difference. Our Catholic Benedictine values not only hold us to high standards, but also gives us an edge in life, because things like listening, respect, and stewardship build leaders. They build citizens. They build Bennies and Johnnies. Serving it back to you, Alex.
Ashley, that sounds amazing. The Benedictine values you mentioned definitely define these campuses. They're part of a culture that's centered on support for student success, and your results are showing it works. Congratulations, and we know you'll do great things in the investment banking industry, and we know you'll keep in touch with your alma mater. Thanks again.